Hello! Today we're going to cook lobster with pasta. So, come here. The lobster is already in the casserole. We're waiting for it to boil. Actually, there are two lobsters. And now we're going to start cooking the sauce. So, we chop the onion in the multi. And we're going to blend it until it becomes like very smooth anyway, like butter. Stop the video and I'll tell you what to do once we're done.
No.
The onion is not chopped really nicely, so if it's stuck, you put just a little bit of water inside. So it kind of becomes like an onion puree. And then, wait. I have to find the olive oil, it's not here. But you put the onion inside and you put a little bit of olive oil. Stop it now.
No, continue.
Πολύ ώρα.
Δεν πειράζει. Την μουσική θα σταματήσουμε αν είναι μόνο. Να μην κάνει παρεμβολές.
Wait, I need to find the olive oil.
We had a small accident. Να σταματήσουμε τις παρεμβολές.
Put about half a cup of tea olive oil.
Έλληνα, πώς το μετάμε το ραδιόφωνο. Το ραδιόφωνο.
Με το κόκκινο κουμπί. Περίμενε.
Όχι, για το βίντεο.
What's the steam? By the way, this is pumpkin soup, but I'm going to show it to you another time. It's very easy and really nice. If you have this kind of, it's not exactly a spoon, but cooking element, it's better because it's flat and it allows you to actually to mix the onion in a better way so that it doesn't get stuck in the casserole. So you wait until it starts making some noise. Let me put the rest. And this thing helps because it doesn't burn your eyes when you blend the onion, which is a really good thing. Yeah, but now I have to turn this on, so it's going to make some noise anyway. This is exactly the same recipe if you want to do it with shrimp or even with crab or with any seafood actually. So you don't really need the lobster. So one big onion, the biggest you can find, and then you grill it like this. See now it has started making some noise. So you wait until it becomes a bit blonde, let's say. Not really dark, not dark brown, but the color changes from pink to yellow, let's say. If you leave it too long, it will become a bit bitter. The taste will be a bit bitter. So try to catch it before it turns brown, dark brown. Doesn't take long, you see. You can also chop it if you don't want to blend it, but it's easier because then the sauce is not so chewable and it's more like a sauce. But But this thing needs to boil a little bit because then we're going to use this water to put inside the onion. See, it's becoming more yellow instead of pink. Used to be at the beginning. Tomato sauce, concentrated. I don't know if you have this kind of tomato, but it's usually either like this in a carton or in a tin. You need about 1 soup spoon, not more than that. Usually it's better to cook the two, one next to the other, because you can avoid the steam. There must be a hole in the lobster, that's why it's making this
Froth.
Yeah. No, actually it's turning gold, not blonde. That was the wrong selection of words. It's turning gold. You have to watch out because as time goes by, it's becoming a bit messy. It's jumping around. It's okay now. So, if we had cooked the lobster, boiled the lobster like 15 minutes ago, we would have taken the lobsters out of the casserole and used the water directly. Now that they're cooking at the same time, I have to take out some water using this. It's easy, you just use the water in which the lobsters boil. Right now. Then use tomato that I showed you earlier, either in a tin or in a carton box. So, if you don't like concentrated, you can even use fresh tomato, but in that case you need to put some sugar in because fresh tomato is always a bit sour. So it's not going to turn entirely red, it's more like a pinkish color. So you don't need a lot of tomato in. And then you actually put whatever you like. I mean, you definitely need to put some salt, pepper. Mamma, put in salsa. I'm looking for a chili sauce. Should be somewhere there. Pure, Mamma. Aquí. Ah.
Λίγο ανοργάνωτος ο σεφ.
Δεν περιμένεις, μου πήραν τα υλικά. A bit of chili sauce. And I also use basil. Here.
Παρακαλώ, έχει πάρει πολλές.
And then after the lobster is ready, I'll show you the next steps.
Okay.
Now you have to switch it off.